Welcome back to Grammar Fundamentals for the SAT. This is Chapter 9, Lesson 66. Still more confusable words, including a couple that aren't really words at all. Today, from different from to regardless. Let's finish this stretch of the glossary, from different from to regardless. First, 3 quick rules. Use fewer with things you can count, and less with quantities you can't. Fewer tickets, less money. Fewer dances, less than $10. Next, in standard English, use different from, not different than. And match doesn't and don't to the subject. Doesn't with he, she, or it. Don't with I, you, we, they, and plurals. She doesn't, but they don't. Now, words about movement. Emigrate means to move out of a country. You emigrate from. Immigrate means to move into one. You immigrate to. Farther is for physical distance. Further for time or degree, as we saw earlier. And in, into, into. In means already inside. Into shows movement to the inside. Walk into the room. And into is just an adverb plus a preposition, as in, she came in to say hello. Finally, a few specials. Irregardless is not a word. The prefix and the suffix are both negative, so just say regardless. After a subject, use only had with a past participle, never had of. So, I wish you had written, not had of written. And the past tense of hang. Use hanged only for executions, and hung for everything else. We hung the picture, but the outlaw was hanged. Let's practice. Choose the word that fits. Pause and try each one before I answer. My pickup has blank wheels than that truck. Wheels can be counted, so we use fewer. So the answer is fewer. I'd like to spend blank than $10. $10 is one amount of money, not countable items, so we use less. So the answer is less. Many people blank to the United States in the early 1900s. Moving into a country, the Q is to, so it's immigrated. So the answer is immigrated. 3 more. Watch the into versus in and the never standard words. Stack the groceries blank the pantry. The groceries move from outside to inside, so we use into. So the answer is into. The voters will choose their candidate blank of the polls. Irregardless isn't a word, so the answer is regardless. We blank the colorful textile above the fireplace. For anything but an execution, we use hung. So the answer is hung. Let's wrap up. Use fewer for things you can count and less for amounts. Say different from, not different than. And match doesn't or don't to the subject. Emigrate is to leave a country. Immigrate is to enter one. Into shows movement inside. And the never standard ones, it's regardless, not irregardless. Had, not had of. And hung for everything except an execution, which is hanged. Great work. In the next lesson, we'll cover from this kind to the reason is because.